Hey there, future content creators. Are you looking to start a unique YouTube channel but want to keep your identity a mystery? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're diving into 10 creative faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can start right now. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Cooking channel. Unveil your culinary skills without revealing your face. Create a mystery cooking channel where viewers follow your delicious recipes step by step, all while keeping your identity hidden. You can start a cooking-related YouTube channel. Voiceover storytelling. Let your storytelling talents shine through voiceovers. Narrate captivating tales, spooky stories, or even dramatic readings of classic literature to engage your audience. You can also start a movie explanation YouTube channel where your audience get engaged with you. Artistic hands. Showcase your artistic prowess by focusing on your hands creating intricate artworks, crafts, or even digital designs. It's all about letting your hands do the talking. You can show some creative drawings and painting to your audience. DIY tutorials. It's one of designing, creating, customizing, and repairing items or things without any special training. Share your DIY expertise by creating hands-on tutorials for home improvement, crafting, or fashion projects. Keep your face a mystery as you guide your viewers through each creative endeavor. Puzzle and riddles. Challenge your viewers' minds with puzzle-solving and riddle-solving videos. Tease their intellect while maintaining your own enigmatic persona. You also get engagement and better results. Urban exploration. Take your audience on thrilling adventures through abandoned places, hidden gems, and urban landscapes. Capture the intrigue without ever revealing your face. You can roam around the world and make the video. You need to just show them the nature, and the video goes on engaging and interesting. Tech reviews and gadgets. Dive into the world of tech by reviewing gadgets, electronics, and the latest tech trends. Your voice will be your signature as you guide viewers through the tech jungle. Technical-related channels are more in trend nowadays. It provides the valuable information to the viewers. Language and linguistics. Explore the richness of languages and linguistics. Teach pronunciation, grammar, and fascinating language facts, all while keeping your personal identity concealed. Virtual gaming guide. Dominate the gaming world with your virtual expertise. Provide walkthroughs, tips, and tricks for popular video games, all while maintaining an air of mystery. The much beautiful you play, the more audience get attracted towards your video. Nature and wildlife. Bring the great outdoors to your viewers through wildlife documentaries, nature photography, and educational content. Keep the focus on the beauty of the world around you. You can show the beauty of the world in your videos, where your viewers also like the content and you get audience rentation. And there you have it, a treasure trove of 10 captivating faceless YouTube channel ideas waiting to be transformed into captivating content. Remember, your creativity knows no bounds, and these concepts offer a canvas for your imagination to run wild. So which concept resonated with you? Share your thoughts in the comments below and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more innovative content. Keep in mind, the key to success lies in your unique perspective and dedication. Until next time, stay enigmatic and keep the creative flames burning.